Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family. Coming through the gate with track number 8. You never ever will feel musical pain, especially when a track is produced by Donovan Germain. This is a tune entitled Let's Talk About Music. Track number 8 from the Golden album, Marcia Griffiths' 17th studio album, released on September 8th, 2023. And continue to vibe with me. In comes...
Whoa. Ding la da ding ding whoa. Ah well, here I am, a little lamb to the slaughter I bring. Sweet reggae about ya fi brighten up your everyday. Reggae, get up and dance and move your feet, feel the heat under your dancing feet and make the music come alive. I talk about music, brighten my day and uplift my spirit every day. And when you see them up the road and them starting to talk, and whether them gather in a bungle and start to laugh, better get up and dance and move your feet, feel the heat under your dancing feet and dance away those negative vibes. Talk about music, brighten my day and uplift my spirit every day. La da 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 da. Whoa la da dee dee whoa, la da dee dee whoa. Well, the music is my therapy 'cause it brings out the best in me, and when it plays I feel no shame. So beg you, get up and dance and move your feet, feel the heat under your dancing feet. It quenches down that angry beast. You talk about music, brighten my day and uplift my spirit every day. I say we talk about music, music, brighten my day and uplift my spirit every day. How we talk about music, it brightens my day, uplift my spirit every day. So we talk about music, brighten my day, comfort my spirit every day. Talk about music, yeah.
Sweet music.
We talk about music. Oh.
Sweet music. Yeah. Yes. You just can't refuse it. And if you do so, you'll lose it. But on the Solid Corner, we definitely like to talk about and feel about good, authentic, positive music. See? Yes. So that was Marcia Griffiths coming through the gate with track number 8. Let's talk about music. Produced by Donovan Germain. And you know, that's a penthouse classic legend right there. Okay? So yes. And composed by Lee Perry and Annette Brissett. Writers, Lee Perry and Annette Brissett. See? So I'm telling you, it's just a vibe as we keep good reggae music alive. Okay? Released on the Dansum Records label, Golden, Marcia Griffiths' 17th studio album. Yes, released on September 8th, 2023 of this year. Yes, and I'm telling you, Marcia is in her gear, right? And I'm telling you, it's just a Marcia year. I mean, a brand new album and a solid award. You know, Jamaica's 4th highest award given to the queen of reggae music. Rightfully so. Okay? So we're going to keep it rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like positively, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep good music alive. Yes, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Okay, can't you tell? Yeah, we're going to keep it moving and keeping it grooving. And we're going to get into track number 9 because it's only by design. Okay? Yeah.